Everyone. Good morning, Savita Ayappa. How's the practice, guys? You'll be hearing the same word again and again every day from me until unless you get tired. Okay, guys. So yesterday we discussed about. Tell me. Hmm? Guys, can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yesterday we discussed about find and select.
Go
And
to.
Yeah,
this
go to
about
special.
go to special.
Go to
What is
special.
shortcut key of go to?
Control.
Control G. Jason Golf. Right?
Control G.
Guys, if you are not speaking, please go on mute. Okay. So yesterday, whatever we discussed, everything is here. Formula, comments, conditional formatting, constants, data validations, select object, select pane. These two I'll tell you now. Select object also I told you yesterday. What is select pane? I'll tell you. Let me go back to go to special. This thing we discussed already. Last cell, visible cells, I'll need to discuss, and this one, correct? Nothing but like wherever I have data validation. Last time I told you, right? Data validations, how to use data validations. That also we'll discuss as part of our data tab. Data tab and validations will be here. But let's suppose if I want to see that which cell has data validation, which cell has data validation. Example here, MI, MI, RR, GT. What are these? Teams, IPL teams, right? I want to have a drop down here. Alt DL list. This is my list. Done. I will discuss this in detail when we discuss data tab here. Don't worry. But only point to tell you this thing is Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Example here. I have applied how many times? Here data validation. I don't know which cell has data validation. Which cell has data validation? That I don't know, right? I want to choose those cells. How can I select that? Same thing. Control G, go to spatial and data validations, hit OK. Can you see? I can give another color to this. Let's suppose I'm giving color to this as purple color. Now this cells has, can you check it once? Here, 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 and here. Whenever you see drop down, there we will be having data validation, right? Right. Your name? Sai. Sam. Done? Any question? Same thing if I press Control G and if I want to know which cell has conditional formatting, that also you can check it. Now we are left with the visible cells only. Which cell? Visible cells only. I'll give an example here. Okay. So let me just go ahead and try for this and then tell you. Employee ID, not employee ID, it should be designation wise, salary, salary, basic salary, and some okay. Okay. This is my data set. How I applied this, don't worry. I'll not discuss now that option, subtotal, I'll discuss later. But my requirement is this. If I click on this plus one, this 1, 2, and 3. 3 is what? Expansion of data. Yes or no? Expansion of data. 2 is what? Collapse. 2 is what? Collapse. What is collapse? If I want to see how many managers are there, I will click on this plus symbol. I want to see how many testers are there. I click on this plus symbol. If I want to see each and every line, then I will click on 3. 3 is what? Expansion. 1 is what? 2 is what? Collapse. 2 collapse, 3 is expansion. Now, what is my requirement? I want to copy this data set. How many lines I want to see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 lines. How many lines? Those 11 lines I want to copy and paste in a new workbook. Is it clear? Sagar clear? Sagar and Sagar. SASAR. Okay. Control C. If I say Control C and if I paste a new workbook, what is shortcut key to enter new workbook? You think?
Control N.
Control
N.
N. Yes. And Control V. What's happening here?
Complete data.
Complete data is getting copied and pasted. But what was my requirement? Only visible cells. Only
Visible
see.
C.
If I'm selecting this data set, if I'm hitting Control C, just notice one thing. Can you see this boundary? Running line. It means this running line means everything within this boundary is getting copied. Yes. Simple copy. Let me choose this range again. This time not Control C. This time what I'll do, I'll go with this option. Control G, special and which cell is visible now? Cell number 1, 2, 1, 3, 5, 7, 11, 14, 16, 21, 23, 27, 28. Visible cells, right? Right, yes or no? Visible cells only hit OK. Can you see now?
Yes, sir.
And if I hit Control C, now tell me. Can you see now the running lines? It used to be only external single line, that's it. Now, line by line selections. Line by line selections, and only this time it will be copied visible cells only. Now paste. Now let me paste it. Let me paste here. See the difference between this and this? What happened? Everything is getting copied and pasted here. Managers, how many times pasted? But here, my requirement total, manager total is this much. Whatever was showing there, that only I have to copy. But here what happened? Simple copy paste. Hidden value also, hidden row also copied and pasted. Yes or no? This is the only difference. Visible cells only. Okay. You can copy the visible cells, either go with this Control G and special and visible cells, hit OK. Then copy it. Or If you want to select visible cells only, then shortcut key is Alt and semicolon. Write it down. Alt and semicolon. Either you can go with visible cells only or Alt plus semicolon. Last page, right? You're writing last page, everyone? Shortcut keys or page to page? Last page only. It's up to you. Why I asked to write in last page or first page? Because you can find everything in one place. It's up to you. Okay, got it? Either I can go with Control G or I can go with Alt and semicolon, then Control C. Done? Fair enough. Any questions? Any questions in what the special? Ritika, have you installed 2019-21 MS Office? Still you are with 2007 only. Ritika. Can you hear me? Okay. Guys, can you hear me, online participants?
Yes, sir. We are able to hear.
Issue with Ritika, I think she has a poor internet connection.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Done. So control is completed here. Home tab is completed now. This is nothing but selection pane is what? Selection pane is like here I have some shapes available, right? If you click here, see here. If I click on hide all, can you see those shapes? Show all. Go to this rectangle 4. Left braces, rectangle 2, rectangle 1. See the selection from here. Show all, hide all. Done. That's it. Now, data tab, very, very important. Data tab. Okay. I'll start with first filters and sorting. As part of our demo also discussed sorting and filtering. Yes or no? Yes? You were not there in demo?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
let's suppose I have this table. Okay, I have this table. In this table, I want to sort the names. I want to sort the names. Nothing but name starts with A, then B, then C, then D. Sorting in ascending order. Ascending order is A to Z. Descending order is Z to A. Right? Ascending is A to Z. Descending is Z to A. Or 1 to 100, 100 to 1. Done? Now I want to sort employee name. Employee name. Suresh associate and Suresh salary is basic salary 60,000. Okay. Kaveri is lead and salary is Kaveri is lead. Suresh is associate. Suresh 60K and Kaveri 39K. Basic salary. Now, the question is, can you please sort the employee name? Can you please sort the employee name? You know how people they are doing? They are selecting the employee name column. Yes. And they are going into data ribbon, clicking on sort. Continue with current selection, sorting, employee name, yes, A to Z, okay, done. A to Z perfectly working fine. But now Suresh has become what? And Kaveri has become what? Suresh will get this month how much salary? Earlier he was getting 60,000. Kaveri will get now,
21,000.
and Kaveri has one single day, she has come into lead to developer. And Suresh has now become tester.
Yes.
आईटी में आ गया बंदा अभी, पहले एसोसिएट था बेचारा फाइनेंस एंड अकाउंट्स में था, किस में आ गया? आईटी में आ गया, सिंगल डे में चेंज कर दिया. इज इट ओके टू sort like this?
No.
This is incorrect way of doing it. This is never ever select any cells. Okay, in sorting. In sorting. Sort. Not short. What is that? Sort. S-O-R-T. Short क्या होता है? S-H-O-R-T. Sorting. What is that? Sure नहीं है. Sort. Sorting. Okay. Done. Let me apply Control Z. What is Control Z? Undo. Control Z. Done. Now, then how can I apply that sorting? Select the table. Okay. Go to get sort and employee name A to Z, hit OK. Starting with A, ending with W. Perfect. Suresh is now associate 60. Perfectly fine. Kaveri is lead and 39. Now this is correct way of sorting the data. Got it? Sorting में क्या रहता है कि if your name is there, the respective other column also has to move. Also has to move. That will be your perfectly correct sorting. Clear? Done? Now, I want to sort the data based on designations. Based on what I'll do, again, I'll go here, sorting, designation, I will choose A to Z, hit OK. See, A to Z, nothing but ending with T. A, C, D, M, got it? Now, this is single level sorting. This is called single level sorting. Multiple level sorting also I want to do. Multiple level. Multiple level nothing, but I want to sort first with designation, second with basic salary. Nothing but I want to see that in managers who is getting more salary. This person, then Thompson, then Williams. But I want to sort this data based on designation and basic salary. 1 minute, guys. Now what I want to see? I want to sort this data, nothing but basic salary in descending order, nothing but in manager who is getting more 35 should be here, 28 and then 17 and then 5. Got it? First should be based on the designation. Second should be based on basic salary. Who's getting more, that name should be coming first. Nothing but in this case, the first name will be 35. Then second will be 28. Third will be 17 will be here and 5 will be here. Got it? That I want. Multi-level sorting. Again, click on the sort. Okay. Selection should be this table. Sorting. First level designation A to Z. Add level. Add level designations. Cell values. No, not designations. It should be basic salary. Largest to. It's okay. First is what? A to Z. Second is and hit up. Can you see now? Starting with A, ending with T. in managers, can you see to 35, 28, 17, and 5? Got it? Clear? This is multi-level sorting. Now don't think that it 85 should be here, 60 should be here. No. First level, it will be looking at this condition sorted. Then it will go to this level. Nothing but in managers, now it's 35, 28, 17, 5. Same like tester. 14, 10, and 2. Got it? Any questions? Sorting done? Okay. I have this table. In this table, the cell color is cell color, font color, cell color, font color, font color, font color, font color, red. Red. Done? Red again, red. Done? Now, my requirement is I want to sort the data based on cell color. Based on cell color that I want to sort. After and before, right? जिम में जाते हैं ना बिफोर आफ्टर पिक वेट लॉस का प्रोग्राम होता है 10 kg लॉस्ट 15 kg लॉस्ट हेयर ट्रांसप्लांटेशन बिफोर आफ्टर करेक्ट so this is before. Now red color, blue color, brown, yellow, and green. Okay, now my requirement is I want to see yellow on top, then green, and then blue. Yellow, green, and blue. Yellow, green, and blue. I will select this data set. I will go with sort. This time I will go with, let's suppose, employee name, same color, employee ID, same color only, right? I can go with employee name or employee ID, whatever it is. Employee name, let's suppose employee name. Okay. Red color, font, blue color, brown color, yellow, and green. Cell color I'm talking about. Which color? Cell color. I will go with which color you want to see on top? Yellow. I will choose yellow on top. Second level. Again, employee name. Which color you want to see after this? Green. Again, add one more. Employee name. After this, which color? Click on this color. Yellow, green, and blue. Cell color. Cell color. Hit OK. Yellow, green, and blue. Done. What was before? This was before, this is after now. Before it was red, blue, brown, yellow, green. Now it is yellow, green, blue. Our requirement was this. Any question? All set. I want to sort based on the font color. Based on font color. That also possible.
Okay.
Sort, delete. Let's suppose I want to see in employee name. Okay, tell me in employee name how many font colors? Tell me. Count it and tell me. Count on your fingers and tell me. Number I want. Guys, don't tell me 1, 2, 3.
Three colors, sir. Three.
First color is
Green. Black.
second is
Green.
third is
Red.
out of these three colors. Do you see any other color? No, right? Now my requirement is please sort the data based on font color, and that font color I want on top is red color. Which color? Currently red color are here. These many names and these two. What I want now? On top. Red color, font color. Select the table. Sort. Delete, employee name. Because, okay, tell me, shall I choose employee name or employee ID? Why not employee ID? No color. There is no color, right? employee name, not cell color. This should be which font color I want to on top? Red. Hit. Huh? Not only this, we can also sort the data with the help of right click. With the help of right click. I want to sort the data on designation column. Tell me what is the cell value? Cell value. Manager. Cell color. Font color. If I choose this manager or this manager or this, I'm putting my cursor here. Right click. Sort A to Z. Okay. Sort. Now what happened? A to Z. See? If I'm putting my cursor here, what is cell color? Right click, sorting. Put selected cell color on top. What is my cell color? If I select this one, this option, tell me what will happen? Only single cell or how many cells? Wherever we have red cell color. Click on it. Can you see? Done. I want to see wherever I have font color red. I want to see those on top. Where there are two Kaveris. Check once. This table is different. This table is different. वहां पे कावेरी है, यहाँ पे अलग रहता हूँ. यहाँ पे कावेरी का डेजिग्नेशन क्या रहता है? वहां पे अलग है, डेटा सेट अलग है. बट गुड कैच. ठीक है, अच्छी तुम्हारी योर स्पाई जासूस हो तुम. ठीक है. नाउ आई वांट टू सी red font on top. Right click on this. What is the font color? Cell font color. Sort. This time it should be font color. Can you see? All red font color on top. Done. Now I want to apply a filter. What is shortcut key of filters? Check your notes and tell me.
Control Shift L, sir.
Control Shift L first. Second is RDFF. Third is इसलिए बोलता हूँ सब लास्ट में फर्स्ट पेज में लिखो शॉर्टकट. ढूंढते रहोगे कौन से पेज पे है. Tell me. Not checking time, right? That's what I always tell. Important note should be first page or last page. कभी भी. तुम तो लिख लेते ना एक क्या हुआ, तुम तो एक ही पेज में लिख लेते क्या हुआ. Shortcut key for filter is first is Control Shift L, second is Alt D FF, third is Alt A T, Alt plus A plus T. I want to see each and every shortcut key in last page tomorrow in everyone's notes. ठीक है? Last page. Let's keep 3 pages the last and then start from there. Okay. Done. Alt plus A plus T or Control Shift L or Alt D FF. Okay, I will apply here shortcut. Alt D FF, Alt D FF. Working. Alt D FF. Working. Applying, removing same. Applying and removing same shortcut. Alt D FF. I can apply Control Shift L. Applied. I can apply Control Shift. I can apply Alt A T. Applied. I can apply Alt A T, remove. Three shortcuts. And tell me difference between shortcut starts with Control and Alt. What happens? Whatever starts with Alt, that those are hotkeys. And if you want to use hotkeys, we can press those keys one by one. Those keys one by one. Let's suppose I want to apply Alt A T. Alt applied. A applied. T applied. Applied. But I cannot apply it Control Shift L one by one. I cannot say Control and then Shift and then L. It will not work. Whatever shortcut starts with Control, that has to press together. Control Shift L. Alt. This is shortcut key, and whatever key starts with Alt, those are hotkeys. Done? Done? Now I want to put a filter on managers. On, I can go there and I can choose manager. Hit OK. This time I use my mouse. I don't want to use mouse. I want to go with the keyboard. I will go there. I will press Alt and down arrow key. Alt plus, write it down. Alt down arrow key to go into the filter section. Alt plus down arrow key to go in the data, go into the filter. Okay, once you are gone there, use this up arrow key, down arrow key, down arrow key. Now I want to unselect it. For selection, I can press space bar. You can write it down. For selection, we can use space bar. Use space bar for selection and unselect. Done. Now I have to choose manager. I'll go down with the help of down arrow key. Now where is my cursor? I want to select it. Which key I'll apply? Space bar. Hit enter. Done. Clear? Now I want to remove the filter. How can I remove the filter? Any shortcut key, Control Shift L, remove. How can I apply? Control Shift L, applied. I want to go there and I can choose all down arrow key, and this time I want to choose manager and tester. Manager and I want to remove managers or I want to remove tester. Go there again, alt down arrow key, and I want to remove tester. Go there and select it. Now I want to see how many managers are there who is getting more than 20,000 basic salary. Then I'll go there. This time I only have 4 lines. I can simply select these two. But what if you have 20? If you have 2,000 line there, not possible to select manually. In that case, what you can do? Number filter and go there and apply it greater than. What I want to see greater than 20,000. Hit OK. How many managers are getting 20,000 more than salary? 2 managers, right? Now I want to remove the filter on basic salary. On this also I want to remove. This time I want to put a filter on tester. And I want to see which tester is getting more than 12,000 basic salary. More than 12,000. I can put a filter manually, only single line. But what if you have more lines then? Go with number filter greater than 12,000 I want. Hit OK. How many lines? Now my requirement is this. What is my requirement? My requirement is This is my requirement. I want to see manager records wherein their basic salary should be greater than. I want to see tester wherein their basic salary should be greater than. That's my requirement. Tell me, how can I apply the filter? This is a requirement. Done.
And we have to validate that, so we have to go greater than 1, greater 20,000 or
But what is the first requirement? Then apply filter here now first. Okay, done. उसके बाद में क्या requirement है? How to do that? Okay. Then. Okay. Okay. $20,000 greater than. Okay. Then. Okay. Okay. And then. Okay. By the way, this and or I haven't discussed yet, but that also we'll discuss. And nothing but each and every condition should be true, or means either one of the conditions should be true. That we haven't discussed yet. That will be as part of the rule. Any other guesses? Play logic. Any other logic? Tell me guys, online participation.
short, short.
Hmm?
It is short.
Okay, I'll tell you. In this case, this filter will not work. In this case, we have to go with advanced filter. I will choose this table. Select the table. Go to advanced filter. Okay, list range. My list range is this table only. Criteria range. What is criteria? These are two criterias. And hit OK. सज्जी नहीं करे डेमो क्लास नहीं देती done. I want to remove this filter again. I click on clear. Done. Any question? Very, very important thing here is whatever you're writing the header should be exactly matched with this header. Whatever you are writing here, you cannot write MGR. You cannot write here TTR tester. No. Exactly, it should match. Headers versus names. Clear? No, 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 no. That will be working fine. Example here, I'm writing MANAGER. Or let's suppose MANAGER like this. Sorry, this, or let me use MANAGER. Let me apply here. Advanced criteria range is this. It's not case sensitive. Will be working fine. Done. Clear. Done. Okay. I have this data set. If you have a 10th class students data set, one student will be having 6 lines for how many subject? 6 subjects. One student how many lines? How about 100 students will have how many lines? 600. Yes, correct now. In this case, I have total lines 17. But how many common or unique designations I have? How can I count? See, developer repeating, tester repeating, manager repeating. I want to see the unique designation. I can go ahead and I can check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. How many? 9. That list I want to see here. Again, go with advanced. Hit OK. My list range will be this time this column. In this column, no criteria. In this column, unique records only. Can you see? How many? I want to copy this unique record somewhere else in the same sheet. In the same sheet, I want. Let's suppose I want that unique records. Here, column M. I have deleted that. I want clear. What I will do again, I will apply advanced filter, go to data, advanced filter, hit OK. List range is this column. Records only. Copy to another location. Which column? Copy to where? Here. Click on this arrow button. Choose the cell here. Again, click on this arrow button. Hit OK. Can you see? Done?
And we have to select copy to another.
This time, this list I want where I want this list here. Separate book, separate file. This is my file, but I want that list here in this file. File name is this file name is. I want this list where? Here. If I start from this workbook, what is my active workbook? Exceletics, Excel training. What is my active workbook now? Book one. What is my active sheet? What is my active sheet? Active sheet. What is my active workbook? And sheet name? Data tab. Data tab. What is my active workbook? What is my sheet name? What is my active sheet? What is my active sheet? This tab? Data. Yes. Now, let me select this data set, or let me go with advanced. List range is this. 2 times selected. 1 minute. Select 2 times. My list is this. Okay, I want to see unique records only and copy to another location. Let me choose another location this time. This one. Okay. And I would say hit OK. What happened? What is the error message that we are getting? You can only copy filter data to the active sheet. Active sheet means if I'm starting from here, what was my active sheet? Right? I'll start from here. What is my active sheet now? Book 1, sheet 3. Now I'll start from here. I will start the OT from here. Operation, I'll start the operation from this place. I'll go with data, advanced, list range. List range is where? In this file. This is my list. Click on it. Unique records. Copy to another location. Where I want to copy? Here. Select it and hit OK. Done. Online participant, any question? If I'm asking question, then the answer should be no or yes. Any question? The more time you will take online participant, the more time I will take in order to explain. It's up to you. Let's wait. Let's wait your answer now from everyone. I can easily take a power nap and then I'll again wake up. Guys, what I'm asking online participants? Simple question. Any questions? Yes or no? Ayappa, you responded. How about others?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I need answer yes or no. This is the last time I'm asking. Online participant.
No doubt, sir.
Then why are you taking too long to answer simple yes or no? Giri, are you there?
Yes, sir. Yes, I don't have.
Then the more time you will take time to respond my question, then I'll take more time to explain. Okay, it's up to you. Then your batch will be for 100 days. Done. Now let's suppose you have this data files with you. The requirement is your boss is asking you, can you please give me the data for employee ID, employee ID, employee ID 7, employee ID 17, example. Okay. These three employee IDs. You'll simply go there. You can apply filter here, and you simply will say employee ID. One 717. 1, 7 and 17. Done. This is the short list. Only three employee IDs. You have some 1 lakh rows. In 1 lakh rows, they're asking, please select these 100 employee IDs. How many? 100 employee IDs. Okay. Out of 2000 employees. Then how will you do it? Select one by one only. We'll go there and select one by one. You know what happens if we will do selection one by one? Let's suppose you have selected around, as per the list, you have selected around 50 out of 100. How many? 50. See, at times what happens is that if we are working on system, let's suppose if now I'm working on system, but cell phone is it's with me. Can you see this notification on my cell phone? WhatsApp notification, right? Got it. At times in WhatsApp notification, we can also read the message. We can also read the message in notification itself. But in my system setting is I cannot read the message, but I can see that yes, notification is there. Same with in Office app also. In each and every office, you will be having one communicator channel. Which channel? Communicator channel. It can be MS Teams, it can be Zoom, Zoom communicator, or it can be MS Teams, it can be Slack channel. Okay, it can be anything. In that case, you will be having one. Let's suppose your manager is asking you that, hey, can you please add these 20 more IDs also? How many? The notification will be here. And once you click on that notification, and once you are done with 50 employee ID selection here, how many? 50 already selected. Once you click on this notification here, click on it. What happened here? Selection gone. Selection. Again, you are working on this. Again, this time you selected out of 100 plus 20, 120, you selected this time 88. How many? Now we are left with more 20 plus 12, 32. Then, and you are getting again notification here. Then this is manual process, it will take time. What you will do? You'll fed up with this work. I cannot select like this. In that case, how can you select it? Select this, go to data, advanced, list range is this. Select it. Criteria range is this. And click on OK. Can you see? Well, okay, this time what I wanted, my data is this, and I want to paste the data here. New workbook. New workbook, and I want to take a data for these many employee IDs. For these many employee IDs. And I want to paste here. Tell me I have to start from here or I have to start from here. Active sheet is this, right? I need to start from here, data, advanced, my list range will be this. Click on it, criteria range, this one, okay. Copy to another location, I want to copy here and paste. All the IDs will be there, not the other details, other column details. Let me delete it. Let me repeat it again. This time it's blank, right? Nothing is there. Only headers I have. Only headers I have. I'll start from here only. Data, advanced, list range is This is my list. Criteria range might be this time I'll take from here. And another location, copy to starting from here. Okay. Hit OK. Only employee IDs, not about other columns. Why? Correct. Last try. Difference, the last try will be this, I'll tell you. I'll start from here only. Again, data, advanced. Okay. List range, this table, criteria range. This is my criteria. Another location, copy to. This time I'm selecting all the columns. Go here and hit OK. Go there and check. Got it? This is how you can do it. Yeah. Any questions in filter, advanced filter and sorting?
Sir, in advanced filter, I have a question, sir.
Hmm.
So can you go to the old sheet, sir?
Okay.
So in this sheet, the active sheet is that one, sir, which is the first one. This is second, sir. Okay. Here I need employee ID, employee name, designation, basic salary, and HRF. Not deduction, or else designation or I don't require. So can we do that custom, sir?
Yes.
Custom copy paste in to advance.
Question. Example, what his question is, his question is instead of all the
Mhm.
columns, I do not need designation, I
Okay.
don't need deductions. Correct?
Okay. Right.
This is the requirement. I'll start from here only. Again,
Oh.
data, advanced filter, list. List is the entire table. Click on this arrow. Criteria will be again defined in this sheet only. This is my criteria. Another location, copy to here. Select these columns. Now it will be reading these columns name only, and that will give me data. Hit OK. Go there and check. Got it? According to the headers. This is what you were asking for.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's true. I have one more question, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Oh, old sheet, sir. Okay. So if we require only the limited employee details, we need to select the criteria, sir, right? Hello.
Yes.
Okay. If we don't require any criteria, so then we can directly do that
Next
that
column.
one, sir. Yeah.
Like this column, like I defined these two
Yes.
criteria. Want to see
Yes.
manager and tester.
Yes.
This and this, then I'll apply this criteria. Clear?
Okay, please.
Done. Now next. In this table, how many duplicates are there? Employee ID, right? I want to delete, remove duplicates. Data. And click on this. Remove. Click on it. Data is this. Hit OK. What happened? Why? So what? No duplicate values found. Why? This column duplicate value is there? Yes or no? In this column, Kaveri duplicate. Yes. In this column, Kaveri is lead.
Lead one.
Not matching. Means no duplicate. It's a lead one, lead. Got it? If you want to delete only based on employee ID, only based on, then you can delete it. Go click here. This time, my entire list. Let me select the entire list first. Remove duplicates. I will select unselect all. Based on employee ID deleted. Hit OK. What happened? One row deleted. Can you see here? Done. Control Z again. Done.
The priority will be taken as per the employee ID only, right, sir?
Correct.
Not with the basic salary and
Only no.
Oh.
I can quote one example here. Let's suppose in your team you have 30 team members and you are maintaining a sheet of R&R list, reward and recognition, R&R list that you have. And you have maintained that list for last year, Jan to December. And your HR is asking, can you please send me the person name who has awarded in last year. Okay. In your team, there could be a chance one person can be awarded more than 2 times, 3 times, 4 times also. But HR needs only single time name, not a repeated names. In that case, what you can do in your list, you can delete the employee data based on employee ID. Then the name will be only available once, yes or no? Let's suppose if I have a list employee ID, employee name, designation, and then I have award name. I will have a award name, award types. Example, star of the month, star of the quarter, or gem in the process, or knowledgeable person in the process. These are award names. Example, one person awarded these 4 types of awards. Award type में क्या रहता है यहाँ पे? Different award type names, but these 3 column will be same, yes or no? In that case, it can't duplicate if I select these 4 because award type is different. In that case, I will be searching only for employee ID and I'll remove duplicates. Clear? Next example. Done. Now text to column. There are few things. What is this? Let me 1 minute. Let me expand it. Okay, zoom it. What is this?
semicolon.
What is this?
Semicolon.
What is this?
Colon.
What is this?
Comma.
Comma.
What is this?
Hyphen.
Hyphen.
What is this?
Slash.
Slash.
This?
Dot.
What is this?
Exclamation.
Exclamation.
What is this?
Dollar.
Dollar.
What is this?
Ampersand.
Ampersand.
Guys are advanced. And it's similar ampersand. Who told this?
Ampersand.
Ampersand.
Ampersand? I told you about symbol. Who told about this symbol to you, ampersand? This is my question. Me or other person? Me only. My question is, who told this? This is ampersand. This is my question for you guys. Why are you getting
Okay.
confused?
Oh, we thought like that, sir.
Leave it. What is this
Maybe.
symbol?
Star.
Star.
Asterisk. Asterisk.
This is me.
Asterisk.
Asterisk. This is called.
Open bracket.
This is
Close.
Close bracket.
close parenthesis, open parenthesis, close bracket, open bracket. Yes.
Yes, sir.
If I'm giving space, it's called space, right? These
Space.
all symbols, including space.
At the
At
rate.
the right.
All these things are delimiters. What is this?
Sir?
Delimiters.
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 Sir, can you spell that, sir?
Delimiters. D-I-L-I-M-I-T-E-R-S.
Delimiters.
Delimiters. Yes.
Okay.
Remember this delimiter, okay? If I'm writing here, like SHARAMA, comma, what is the delimiter here?
Comma.
Rohit space Sharma. What is delimiter here?
Space.
Yes.
Virat at Kohli. What is delimiter here?
At the rate.
Virat at gmail.com. What is delimiter here?
At the
At the
rate
rate and
dot.
dot.
And dot also. Clear? Remember these things, okay? Now let's go there.
Sir, regarding that one, sir, ampersand, the word ampersand itself, right, sir?
Ampersand is dollars and this and symbol.
That is what, and symbol is ampersand and word, right?
That
Is that correct, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, okay,
AMPERSAND.
okay.
AM
PSAND.
Okay, done. Now, my requirement is this. I have full name. Full name is Adam Cohen, Neil Williams, Luke Whittles, Mary, huh? April, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, then August, September, October, November, December. Okay, done. This is Mary, April. This is called question. It's question. Questions. Not sir, how many questions you have? That is not a question. Will be this. You know, question like this is question. Question. How many questions you have? How many? Right. Send out a do this 10 word. Dude. Okay. Done. Now, what is my requirement here is tell me guys, I already told you that I want first name here, last name here. Tell me. Yes. Who told? Exactly. Flash fill I can use. What I can use here? Adam. If I write Adam, Adam and then control E. If I write here Cohen and control E happen. See Cohen, then Williams, then Withers, then April. Okay, Pitt and Washington. Okay, practice करो. Practice करोगे तो क्या रहता? अच्छा. Done. Now, not only this, I don't want to use flash fill. I don't want to use flash fill. Flash. I don't want to use flash fill. This is called SORT. Sort, not shorting. Shorting नहीं हो क्या है ये? Sort. By the way, it's not English class, but I'm just making you correct. That's it. Now, I do not want to use first name, last name with the help of flash fill. Which fill? Flash fill. Okay, I will use text to columns. Text to columns. Text to column shortcut key is Alt A plus E. And text to column will be available into data ribbon and go to here. Clear? How can I say that it's a shortcut key is Alt A? If I press Alt key, which alphabet is getting highlighted? A. Which alphabet is getting highlighted? If I hit A, and then which one is? What is the hotkey here?
Alt plus A.
Huh? Now I'll select this data set. Click on text to column or Alt AE? Tell me, do you see any delimiter here in these names? Adam space Cohen. What is the delimiter?
Space.
Nail space. What is the delimiter here? So we will go with delimiter or we'll go with fixed width? Delimited. We'll go with delimited.
Okay.
Click on this next. What do you see here? Space. The moment I select, can you see the bifurcation of this name? No. Once you click on this, can you see here? Segregation of two names. Next. Now, destination. Destination means starting with destination wedding, right? Happens now. और जाके शादी करते हैं लोग. They'll go to Goa, they'll go to Jaipur, they'll go to Mumbai, Dubai, correct? विराट कोहली कहाँ शादी की थी विराट कोहली ने? Out of India, right? So destination means I want to start my destination starting from here. Choose it, this cell, starting from here. Click on finish and hit OK. Text to columns means single text is there. I want to bifurcate this text into two different columns.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Columns. Clear? I'll repeat
Sir, I
one.
have a question.
I'll repeat one more time. Select the range, text to columns, delimited. Why delimited? Why not fixed width? Because I see delimiters are there, right? Space is there. Choose it. Click on next. What do you see? Space here. Choose it. What is it? Space. What is it? Space here. Next. Destination. What is it? Destination. Yeah. Click on it, and my destination should be starting with this. First name I want here, right? That's what I'm choosing it here. And then click on it and say finish. Hit OK. Done. Now, my requirement is not like this. I will select the names, but I only want to take last name. Only, not first name. Select it, text to column, delimited, next, space, yes. Click on next. What do you see here? Skip. What is it? Skip. I want to skip which column? First name I want to skip. If I select this column, now selection is which name? First name. If I select this column, now selection is which name? Last name. I will select first column. I do not want to import this. I want to skip this column. I'll select it and click on this. Destination, I want last name where? Here. This time I want here. And I want to skip first name. That's what I choose this column and I choose this. And click on finish. Can you see here? Now no more first name, only last name. Done? Okay, let's do this. I have email addresses, Excel macros at Microsoft.com, Apple.com, and I have @ What is the delimiter here? @ text to column, delimited. Next, what should I choose here? Yes, other. And other, what should I write? The moment I choose it, can you see the segregation? Next, destination should be starting with this cell, right? I will click on this arrow, choose this cell. Again, click on this arrow, click on finish. Can you see? User IDs are these and domains are this. Clear? Microsoft.com after @ Apple.com after @ HSBC.com after @ See here, done. Now, this is my requirement. Now my requirement is this. From this cell, okay, this is nothing but your name, age and city. I have name, I have age, and I have a city. यस और नो? हाँ तो बोलो। हाँ, क्या सोच रहे हो? सोच रहे हो? टेंशन हो गया है ना? नेम है, व्हाट इज द नेम? रोहित. What is the age? What is the city? Bye. What is city? Name I want here. City I age I want here, and city I have here. Okay, I want to have. Select this data set. Click on text to column. Delimited. Next. Tell me what I need to choose.
Slash.
Flash. Do you see here? Choose other and slash. Back. Sorry. Next. Destination should be starting with this cell. Is it okay? This cell. And say finish. Hit okay. Rohit, Virat, Shikhar, Rahul, working fine. Age, okay, okay, okay. But his is not there. Why not there? 30 here. His city is here, not here. His city is here, not here. Exactly. Why it is like that? Because double slash. Here, with how many slash? 1, 1. Here, 1, 1. Here, 1 and 2. In that case, let me apply Control Z. What I can do is I'll go with text to column again. Next, and flash. Read this for me.
Treat consecutive delimiters as one.
Treat consecutive delimiters as one, right? Consecutive means continuously, right? So choose it. Now can you see? If I'll not choose this, then treat consecutive delimiters as one. Choose it and say next. Destination should be starting with this cell. Okay, gone, done, finish. Hit okay. Fine. Tell me about this. I want ABC here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. I want 5, 4, 8, 6. Here, BBC here. I want YGC here and 4, 5, 8, 4 here. Tell me. Choose it. Next, text column. Tell me. बताया वो चल रहा है डिलिमिटर नेक्स्ट ये वो सोच रहा ही नहीं है लाइफ में कुछ. यहाँ पे क्या डिलिमिटर है? कैन यू सी एनी डिलिमिटर? देन हाँ, इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ. चलो बोलो. Click on delimited, click on next, this finish, next, done, completed हो गया.
Wait, sir.
कौन सी दुनिया में हो? उसी दुनिया में हो और कहीं पे हो? Do you see delimiter here? No, no delimiters. Because ABC, then 1, 2, 3, 4. What delimiter here? Do you see space? Do you see at the rate?
No.
Comma? Nothing is there, right? Then we'll go with this
Fixed
option.
width.
Yeah, fixed width. It's fixed, right? Fixed. Fixed. Click on next. Once you click on next, can you see kind of thing like one? You need to enter. You have to press here. Simple click. Once you single click here, what are you seeing here? The bifurcation, right? Between text and number. Next. Done. Destination should be starting with this cell. Okay, and say finish. Job is done. This is the difference between delimiters and fixed widths. You got it? That's what I thought. These are delimiters. Do you see delimiter here? No. Then पॉसिबल नहीं, अलग से करना पड़ेगा. उसके लिए क्या करेंगे? उसकी फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करेंगे. वो इससे नहीं होगा. See, this text to column happens if you have the same kind of data in nature. ठीक है? Done. Practice करो इस पे. Last I'll tell you. The last will be like this. Where's the timings? Timing वाला किधर गया? Tell me, I want the last code here. Last code means 4315 4000 4500 that I want here. Choose this text to column. Tell me, this one or this one? Next, then tell me. This one? Okay, tell me. I just want this column only. Next. Right, you're correct. Tell me. ये वाला भी skip blanks. ऊपर क्या लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे? Skip done. Now destination should be where? Here. And say finish. Good. Practice on this. And we'll catch up tomorrow. Okay? You're getting late? Don't you can leave.
Very important.
You will tell me now if it is important or not important. Delimiters. What was my purpose to explain you this thing, delimiters? So that you can identify that whether delimiters are there or not. Do you see a delimiter here? Yes or no? Tell me. No delimiters, right? You cannot go with this with delimiters. ऊपर से open करो, ऊपर से पकड़ के दो. Help, please help, यार. ठीक है. So, who will give this answer? It is important delimiters. Who will give this answer? Why will discuss the delimiters then? Last में तो वो वाली बात होगी भाई राम या रावण बना. तो रावण खत्म. Last में पूछ रहे हैं कि सर who killed Ram or Ravan? If I explain this. What is the logic here? Delimiters. When you see delimiters here? No, no. Then? हाँ. I think समझ गया. ठीक है, done. See you tomorrow, guys. Bye bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.